Well, we've been tracking a pretty steady stream of some of that cloud cover. Again, it's one of those types of mornings where if you're north of I-70, you're going to get a pretty healthy dose of some sunshine. Along and just to the south of that, you may see a little bit of filtered sun here at times, but again, a lot of us going to be looking at a pretty steady shot of some sunshine throughout the afternoon, right on into this evening. And some of that works its way off toward the south and east. Some cooler and drier air is trying to move back in, but we won't really feel it until we get into tonight, into tomorrow. Still getting a good chance to get out there and enjoy the 50s here as we continue to track that half-century mark, making another visit around mid-Missouri later on today. Tonight, though, again, I've alluded to some changes. It's that cold front that's going to be bringing them here to us. With those winds out of the north, that'll drop overnight lows into the middle 20s here, maybe some teens showing up as we get into tomorrow. I think tomorrow afternoon's really kind of where we're going to feel a lot of that cooler air because it's going to hold us up in the 30s throughout much of our Friday. So a little cooler into the work week here. Pretty well advertised, though, that we're going to be hanging out in the 30s tomorrow and then again on Saturday, likely, as we get into the first day of this weekend. Rain chances, though, are going to look a little more interesting as we get into Sunday and Monday, particularly Sunday night into Monday. I think that's where we're going to be looking at the heaviest of this working its way down. But kind of on either end of that here, late Saturday night into Sunday morning, may look at a bit of a wintry mix as this pushes in. I'm not concerned about seeing any impacts to the roads out there Sunday morning, but as we get into Monday night into Tuesday morning, that's our second shot with this system to pull down some cool enough air to maybe flip some of that over to some snowflakes here as that system wraps up and pushes off toward the east. But again, the timing has been fairly consistent. Again, we've always kind of been zeroing in on Sunday into Monday. The moisture, though, that's what has us a little bit uneasy. It's fairly high, especially by this time of the year, especially by January standards here. But that track has been a little bit squirrely here. You've heard us talk about that over the last day or two. That hasn't really changed for better or worse here this morning with some of the latest data coming in. And if that wants to jog a little bit further to the south than what we think right now, it may open the window up for maybe some accumulating snow with this storm system. So again, stay with us. We're going to be tracking this as we get into and out of this weekend. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Maybe another added incentive to get out and enjoy the 50s while we still got them. We got them here one more day, and things going to be cooling down as we get into this weekend.